The number of presumptive cases of the coronavirus jumps in the Bay State. Good Friday afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining us for Western Mass News at 4. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. State officials holding a briefing this afternoon on the latest on the virus. Here's what we know so far.
Now, the CDC has officially confirmed one case of the illness involving UMass Boston student. According to the Massachusetts Department of Health, there are 7 presumptive cases in our state.
Those presumptive cases include 3 in Suffolk County, 3 in Norfolk County, and 1 in Middlesex County. The patients in Boston are 2 women and 1 man in their 40s.
Now, developing news this afternoon, Springfield officials hosting a press conference after coronavirus concerns hit the city.
This comes after school officials announced staff members from some Springfield schools were ordered to self-quarantine.
Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane joins us now live in Springfield with more. Lindsay.
In a briefing that ended about an hour ago, we learned new information. 4 staff members from 4 different Springfield schools are being ordered to self-quarantine at home. The employees are from these schools: Boland, Homer, Brightwood, and Glenwood. City officials say they are being quarantined as a precaution since they recently traveled to Italy, but they say none of these staff members are showing any symptoms. Dan Warwick, superintendent of Springfield Schools, said the city schools are being sanitized and they're educating kids on hand washing. He's also reminding parents this is being done as a precaution and students are not at risk. Mayor Sarno says there are no confirmed cases of coronavirus in Springfield. He says city officials are doing everything they can to stay on top of the fast-paced changes.
What has not happened, what we're going to continue to do about it, we're ahead of the curve. Some of the conference calls we've had with the health providers and CDC and Mass Department of Public Health, we're already doing it. And then, as we've done before, if a situation arises, we will get through this as we've done before, dealing with a natural or man-made disaster.
Transport a variety.
Springfield Police and Fire are also being proactive. They say the fire department will be screening people who have coronavirus symptoms so their crews can take precautions. Police are reminding officers to disinfect the back of cruisers after each transport. Now, officials are stressing right now that the flu is a bigger concern in Western Mass and are encouraging people to get their flu shot if they haven't already. Coming up at 6, we'll hear from Springfield officials and more on what they want residents to know. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.